Welcome to MarineMax at Silver Spring Marine in Wakefield, Rhode Island. My name is Keith Abel, and I'd like to introduce you to the 210 Montauk Boston Whaler 2019. This boat comes equipped with a Raymarine GPS chart plotter fish finder. You do have a Fusion stereo with Bluetooth, Raymarine VHF radio, nice analog gauges. This boat does have your flip-flopping seat with storage underneath. Plenty of cup holders and rod holders. The boat is powered with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke engine. You do have some nice flip-up, flip-down seating. So it's a very universal boat for your fishing, your water sports, cruising. You could trailer the boat. It does come with a nice galvanized trailer. The boat also is equipped with a sun top. You do have a head, which is a pump out head, inside your console. There's also some additional storage. As we come to the bow area, full sun pad, fish storage, anchor storage, your bow backrest, and the boat does have the fishing package, which consists of your cooler cushion, cooler backrest, some rod holders, and also some tackle storage. For more information on this beautiful 210 Montauk Boston Whaler 2019, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.